If you are into that kind of stuff, you can hit the subs in my mind. In mind. Whose mind? Who is your new favorite character? So again, it's Ayn Rand, not Ayn Rand. So, so it's from the Fountainhead. Hey guys, and welcome back to my new video. I hope everyone's doing absolutely fine. For those who are new to my channel, I am Divyam and you will find book reviews, vlogs, unboxings and a lot many other fun things related to books and fandom. So if you are into that kind of stuff, you can hit the subscribe button. And now let's start with this video. So as the title says, in this one I'll be answering a bunch of questions and we'll be doing a fun mid-year freak out book tag. So I was seeing a lot many people trying this challenge on booktube, book twitter and like bookstagram. So I thought, why not try this challenge and answer a bunch of questions, because we have ended the first 6 months of this year. And yeah, this was a fun challenge. I thought it will be fun to do this challenge, though nobody tagged me. But so anyway, I'll be doing this challenge. So yeah, let's see what all questions we have. The first question in this book tag is, what is the best book that you have read so far in this year? So there aren't many books that I rated 5 stars in this one in the past 6 months, but there were 4 to 5 books and one of those were Six of Crows. So I read this book in March or April, I'm not sure, but I rated it 5 star and I haven't read its sequel yet, but this was one of the best reads of this year. And other than these books, there were 3 to 4 other books, but if I have to choose, I'll be choosing this. So yeah, this was the best read of this year so far. Second question is, what has been your favorite sequel for the first half of this year? So yet again, I haven't read many sequels this year, but one of the recent favorite was The Great Hunt that I read last month in June. So I covered this book in my wrap up video as well. So this was one of my favorite sequel that I read in the first 6 months of this year. So if I have to name one more sequel, that would be like Heartstopper Volume 2. So yeah, these two sequel were my favorite for the first 6 months of this year. So third question is, what is the new release that you are very excited for but haven't read yet? So any new release, I think it would be Heartstopper Volume 3, because I read both the volumes in the last month, last to last month, and I haven't actually started Volume 3 yet. So I am looking forward to read it, and I think it released in Feb this year, so that was one of the new releases I am excited for. So the fourth one is, what is your biggest disappointment so far? So for me, it is Charioteer Creatures in Mind. So I read this book in Feb, I guess, and also reviewed it in March. I believe it was in March. So I reviewed this book and I didn't like this book at all. And why did I read it? I'm thinking. But yeah, if I have to summarize this one to you, I felt like I am reading the script of Inception in some other words, or like retelling of Inception. So yeah, that was the book I didn't like. So the next question is, what is your biggest surprise so far? So for me, it is Ayn Rand's The Fountainhead. So this was another 5-star rated read for me, and I read it in Jan, and I totally loved this one. And actually it was a tie between this one and Six of Crows, but I chose Six of Crows in the end as my favorite. But this was one very good book for me, and I totally loved this one. And I didn't like, in the starting I didn't quite actually felt like I'll be loving this book this much, and it was a modern classics with like politics and like it was a very long book, and I was not feeling very much good with this one in the very starting. But as soon as the plot began to unfold and the events eventually started happening, so I actually liked this one after finishing. So, and I felt connected with this read so much that I'll be reading it every year from now on. So yeah, this became one of my favorites and surprised me so much. Next is, who is your favorite new to you or debut author? So I don't remember any debut author's book I read this year. Maybe I am forgetting, but one of the new to me author was Ayn Rand, and I already talked about this read. So this was one of my favorites. So I was new to this author and I first time read this author. And other than this author, it was Alice Oseman for Heartstopper. So that was the author I actually first time read. So these were the two authors. So the next is your favorite fictional crush of this year. So I have to like So that will be Lucy Gray. Ba- So that will be Lucy Gray from The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes that I've already reviewed, but I don't believe I've mentioned her in my review because that was spoiler free. So yeah, she was my latest fictional crush, if I have to name that. Who is your new favorite character? So again, it's Ayn Rand, not Ayn Rand. So, so it's from the Fountainhead, Rourke, Howard Rourke. So yeah, that was my new favorite character, and he's my favorite character because I was able to connect with him so much, and I loved his thinking in this one. So yeah, that was my favorite like fictional character, new favorite fictional character for this year. So the next question is, what is the book that made you cry this year? So I don't believe I have read any such book that made me cry, but there are some books that I felt bad after like reading. So one of those were City or Chronicles of Golgotha Days. I believe I am like, I think that's the title. So that was one read that I felt very bad after reading, and I felt emotional, but I didn't cry. And other than that, one more like one more emotional read or heartbreaking read was Soul Stirrer, an anthology of real life stories. So that was one of the other reads as well. So yeah, these are the two reads like that made me emotional. Next question is opposite to the previous one, a book that made me happy. So I think majority of the books does make me happy, but if I have to name like Heartstopper, like I have read 2 volumes of Heartstopper, and I've already talked about the books. So yeah, those were the books that made me happy, though they were heartbreaking or what you say heartwarming moments at times, but yeah, those were feel good books. So I felt happy after reading those. So the next question is your favorite book to movie or TV show that you have recently seen and loved. So I think that is one second. So I can't remember like any movie, but I do remember one series I totally loved that was based on this book. So that was The Witcher. I watched it as soon as it came on Netflix. So I watched it first and then read this book. So yeah, that was the series I totally loved this year, and I can't wait to like read more of this author. A author that I can't spell or pronounce the surname of. I think it is Andres Sapkowski. So yeah, it's the last wish. So the next question is, what is your favorite post that you have written so far in this year? So like I don't write much about anything else other than book reviews. So if I have to pick one of my book reviews, like I like most of my book reviews, but if I have to pick one, so there will be of The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, which I reviewed a few like last month. So yeah, that was one of the reviews. But I do love my all posts from Instagram or any other social media. So yeah, I love all of them, and I'm not much active on blogs. So if I if I was more active on my blog, so I could have answered this much better. So yeah, if I have to choose one, so I'll be choosing that one. So the next question is, what is the most beautiful book that I have bought so far in this year? So if I have to, so if those for those who haven't seen my last haul, these were the covers, like most beautiful covers I bought in the past 6 months. Just look at them. If you want, you can just visit my previous book haul video and can see I actually did a video on this. And look at those spines. So yeah, these were the books, and I haven't started it yet, and I can't wait to start them. So yeah, these were the covers. So it's time for the last question of this video, and that question is, what are the books I want to read in the next 6 months? So I am very much looking forward to like continue with Stormlight Archive, and I read The Way of Kings I think last year, and the fourth book is releasing, Rhythm of War, later in this year. So I'm planning to read those three for sure. And last month I read Great Hunt, as I've talked in my previous video as well as this video. So I'll be try to finish one book each month from the Wheel of Time series, as a series is also releasing on Amazon Prime soon. So I want to finish it before that. So that makes it 6 books of Wheel of Time and 3 books of Stormlight Archive. So these are my main focus by the end of this year, and let's see how many I can finish and you will be eventually be seeing what all I finished in my wrap up videos. So yeah, that was all, and I think I'm done with my mid-year, what is it? Yes, mid-year peek out book tag, and I'm done with this video, and I've answered most of the questions. I don't know what all I've said because I haven't prepared for them. Like I did this video on the last moment, and this is already July, and I believe in the philosophy better late than never. That's why I'm posting this in July, but most of the people already have posted this video. So yeah, I'll be posting it in the next couple of days whenever my editing gets finished. So today's Friday, and you will be seeing this video on weekend. And so yeah, that's all for this video. Oh, and yes, don't forget to tell me in the comments below whether you like this video or not, and what all books you read in the first 6 months of this year, and what was your goal for the year. So yeah, I think I asked my question of the day later in this video that no one will probably be checking out. So yeah, bye bye.